In this video today we will see how to disconnect your Apple Watch from your iPhone. We will see how to disconnect by using your iPhone. We will also see how to disconnect without having your iPhone. So at first what I will do is I will go to my iPhone. Then this is the Apple Watch icon. I will open it. Then at the top you have the option all watches. Tap on it. You will see your Apple Watch. Tap on this eye icon here, and if you want to disconnect the Apple Watch, you have to select this option unpair Apple Watch. Now this is in the case if you have your iPhone. Now if you don't have your iPhone but still want to disconnect your Apple Watch from iPhone, then let us see how to do. Now for that one, what I will do is I will take my Apple Watch, then I will press on this crown here and go to settings, scroll down, and here you will get this option general. Select it, scroll down, and here you will be having this option reset. Select it and you will see this option erase all content and settings. Now what you need to do is you need to select this option erase all content and settings. Select it. You need to enter the passcode for the screen lock, and then you can see this message all media data and everything will be erased. So if you want, select this option erase all, and this Apple Watch will unpair from your iPhone. And next time what you can do is you can again pair this Apple Watch with another iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.